Muma how ye pay school fees and ye go ye school. Nka 150 any adi. Eso sa na mani ni obi. That ultimate transfer pass amamu I mean dia pa na Ghana for hwehwe.
Omo
Canada aban sorry no pa bi o discover mamu za monye ndo dia nini.
Sika wan honorable what my mouse get scenario. Boyo me ya juma wo place bia and your government and Canada government on was cano when to me and keep say yen juma because corona new one biaba I mean I see Andra say 16,000 cases so say then cases are bent since your match started at most in human as at 11:59 p.m. Andra no Oma started every week in down. Akufo Addo has not sent anybody home unless Oma Pamo will be coffee. But so far, Labor Ministry for Mecca say, I buy no watching in Tino, ya Pamo will no say coffee. They took some. Until unless say and honorable, sometime more fan me. Unless say we will be, I'm sorry, meaning say we say my India but for me, also you'll be a watching what form. I hope say I know they're okay. What form? I just all you'll be a what to find a watching what form. And I'll be catching me say, me Canada near must say a brochure glass in Kwan, me make him who wants a Ghana, yen you it. Now catch them say, maybe buy it better than what buy. Then there's something wrong with you. There is a big question mark on you because
that's right.
Me say, boy, and now me no can say, and yet emergency, who to be call hospital, honorable. Canada, no, you can't go to hospital. It has to be emergency. Either say your child will be more heart attack, then either than that, you cannot come to the hospital. What is wrong with we Ghanaians? What are they looking for?
I wanted to make a global impact with my work. That's why I chose IELTS. It is accepted worldwide and gave me the option to take it on computer. In a few days, I could apply for jobs I dreamed of having. Choose your way with IELTS.
Agenda setting.
Yo, Mate.
Agenda setting they say 2008 Kufo ebe ye juma Emma Ghana ebe krabehwe utie me
yeah
NDC for those time no omu use fifi koti
yes propaganda secretary
yes yeah can sama you can for intelligent way so what I say omu use fifi koti obeka se Kufo awia Ghana reserve gold nyina akogu aburichire omudi those times na sa your social media with Facebook ne Twitter ne we no na ni ho
active.
Yes, they are always going for press conferences omu yesa edima Ghana for say oh and dey Kufo mo abaye we a so what I say and dey ye to aba atiam so what I say the scenario no say no again ye do betima ye ama Ghana for hu say nkofo we omo ye adwuma omo ye si ba eba physical say adwuma ya ye egu fom obia dinini ehu omtimba because Jomama waye gonjeni ba ye wono tamali first in history in Tamale yes interchange long one for most beautiful interchange in northern region is the Akufo Addo regime. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Uber, our peace accord between Abudus and Andanis. Nema, our Tamale northern region, no, ne ewofom development bebia ejina peace so. So what I say,
sir.
ukrom eye dien kra na wunni peace a kronu enye krom Argentina 2017 2018 2019 2020 Ghana is a second peace country in Africa.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
First in West Africa, second in Africa.
In Africa.
And then 38 in the whole world.
Look at this.
The whole world.
The whole world, 38.
Wow.
So, what baby ameba no?
Bam.
Aha. Inti se sa nema no. Onu mahama no. Okoye de se Ghana peace ni ho Ghana we ni ho ukoshe data na the data shows that Ghana a peace country in fact in West Africa there the obi wa Nigeria senator obi a minister obi a businessman hoping me dey say all line so time there why director for operations our airport na me kono me no me free Jubilee House and I say we here ene bibia or frame na me kono ho bisane say anajo how many private Nigerian jet ebaha ebeda omunwo dan o shiashi is legon ne shadu ne cantonments adenti na omon da omuku.
Wow.
Because of Ghana this country. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Say no. You call deep security issues. So, we share the whole Africa. The whole Africa. Upa Ghana. Say because of Hano, yeah, peace and business hub nunti. Ucha. And no necessary Ghana government or tackle security or who find there or the faso because the foreigners are tricking in here.
Yes.
So omuba any amount say apartment, single room apartment, then unya born price no tria. You understand the trend?
Yes, sir.
Because onu onim say oba Ghana or peace or security protection.
Yes.
Eduane bibia available. Nti wanya back country mu no say apartment you see no atua because of what? Chrono security no yeah paramount.
Yes. Yeah.
Nti uba hu say mostly cost no dan uba hu say ebia apartment say e cost. So now no government within these 2 years we identify who says sa ne man so e cost ma ne ma bebree dey e cost. So you want to bring the intelligence to handle that situation. So what I say? Aha. Inti ye can about security issue. Say NDC they don't have any message. The message is what? Yem